Did you know that over 2,000 years ago, people in ancient China discovered a rock that could move things without touching them? This rock is called lodestone, a naturally magnetic material. When people placed it near small pieces of metal, the metal jumped towards it, almost like magic. But this wasn't magic, it was a non-contact force called magnetism. We don't have to find lodestone to get magnets, we can actually make our own. Some metals like iron, nickel and cobalt can turn into magnets when we stroke them with a strong magnet. This works because rubbing the magnet lines up tiny invisible areas inside the metal, making it temporarily magnetic. Not all metals are attracted to magnets. For example, gold, silver and aluminium are non-magnetic materials. You cannot pick them up with a magnet. Some other everyday objects are also non-magnetic, like plastic, wood, glass and fabric. Magnets won't affect these at all. You can test this out at home. If you want to see which objects are magnetic, try this. Find a fridge magnet or any other small magnet. Collect different objects like spoons, coins, keys, paperclips or foil and anything else around the house. Test each object by bringing the magnet close. Does it stick? If yes, it's magnetic. Fun fact, not all coins are magnetic. In the United Kingdom, for example, 1 penny and 2 penny coins made after 1992 contain steel, so they do stick to magnets. Older ones won't. Why don't you try it out for yourself? Magnets aren't just for experiments, they help keep fridge doors shut, make headphones work, and they can even store data on bank cards. They're everywhere in our daily lives. In our next video, we're going to find out what makes some magnets stronger than others. You can check it out here.